Oh, and a brilliant save, and then the... Worked it short. And you get the cross right. It's a great ball. Oh, and a brilliant save, and then the... Worked it short. And you get the cross right. It's a great ball. Oh, and a brilliant... Oh, and then the... Cross right. It's a great ball. Oh, and a brilliant... Cross right. It's a great ball. Oh, and a brilliant save.
Alright, welcome again people to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good and everything's okay. We are going to discuss Dujuan Richards. Now, another couple minutes under his belt. So, before we get into that details, please do hit the like button. I would really appreciate it if you guys do so. Come some face highly. Jeez, or maybe the camera light, the light, I don't know. Maybe the light people. Anyways, big up on yourself people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. We're going to drop a little update on Dujuan Richards. So today they played in the Premier League International Continental. Let me just get that straight. Let me get that straight. Premier League International Cup, where they play against PSV. They lost. Yes, they lost 2-1. But we're not here to speak about the results. We're not here to speak about Chelsea per se. Yeah, we don't want to find a Chelsea fan. I'm going to come at me for this. But anyways, that don't really matter to me. What's important is, for the first time for like much years now, me watch football, I've had Chelsea notification on my phone. Yeah, kind of contradicting to how I feel inside, but I have to do it. Don't know where I go. Anyways, so Dujuan Richards got some more minutes today. I'm happy for that. Big move again, and the reason for this is he has gotten more minutes than the last time. As we see his progression, his minutes are increasing, which means that tentatively he's getting fitter and fitter. We know that initially, the first time we saw him, fitness, you could see that fitness was an issue. I heard someone told me that he looked fat. I said, what? No, it's actually look lean. But match fitness is different from overall fitness. You know, like me now, where belly big. You know what I mean? But that's totally different from if I was lean but just training and not playing football. So I can be fit, like I can run for a full 90 minutes in a normal circumstance. Like me jog for 90 minutes. But match fitness is like you can play for full 90 minutes. So I look fitter. I look a bit more sharper. Despite the miss where I say, yeah, we know that. And knowing Whisper normal get a cleaner hit on that tend to be a goal, but we understand new environment, everything has changed. He's adjusting. We understand that. So I'm very much happy that his progress continues. That it's a really good look. First game was the U18. I said maybe you know that it looks a bit superior to the U18. So now we have seen him in the U21 more often, which means that he's progressing on the right path. In the U21, more minutes and more game time. Not just more game time, but he's playing more minutes within the game. Not just that every game is playing some minutes. I'm talking about he's playing more minutes within the 90 minutes span. So maybe we're going to see him coming on at halftime now, and then tentatively we might see him in short order starting football games. So that's it. That's the update I want to drop people. Big up on yourself. I don't really need to go any further than that. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Big up yourself. Whisper. Continue to put in the work, and minutes will continue to progress. Big up yourself, everyone. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button if you're here again. So I'm just drop a video one more time. And let's go.
Ball. Oh, and a brilliant save, and then and you get the cross right. It's a great ball. Oh, and a brilliant save, and then the